It's maintenance day because building science doesn't work without maintenance. And so it's morning time, like let's just get some dirty stuff going on. So first thing is our makeup air system. Down below, we took off the grills that are underneath the cabinets and vacuumed under there.
Ew. Is it yucky?
Yeah.
There's only about a MERV 10 or 11 filter on that incoming air stream for the makeup air. And I've had a bunch of people ask me if the silencer inside our kitchen exhaust system collects grease. You can see that there is grease because it's catching on the trap here. Yucky. Time to clean those anyway. And let's have a look. All right. I don't see any grease problems up there. So you can see there is grease that's finding its way up in here, but it's not getting caught on the screen of the silencer. So I hope that that puts everybody's concerns to rest. Clean your grates that are gonna catch the grease coming off your cooktop. Don't worry about it as it's going through. We're gonna have to replace the fan at some point because everybody's fan will die. Clean the makeup air where that's coming in because of course that's gonna be dusty. Hopefully this makes everybody happy.